These are 8 warning signs your car's thermostat is failing, and one of them can destroy your engine in minutes. This part runs about $254 to replace on average, yet ignoring it can cost you anywhere from $2,000 to over $9,000. Number 4 is the failure that kills engines, and most drivers never see it coming. The thermostat isn't some hidden exotic part. It's a valve, usually right where the upper radiator hose meets the engine. Its job is basic but vital. It opens and closes to keep coolant flowing between the engine and radiator, locking in just enough heat for efficient running and then letting it escape before things get dangerous. Most cars are designed to run between 195 and 220 degrees Fahrenheit, and the thermostat is what keeps you in that safe zone. This part wears out, especially as cars age. The average vehicle on American roads is now 12.6 years old, so cooling system failures are only getting more common. According to CarMD, thermostat replacement is the 9th most frequent check engine light repair, making up 2.16% of cases. Here's the kicker: a thermostat costs about $254 to replace. Ignore it, and you could be staring at a bill from $3,500 to $9,000 for a new engine, or up to $9,264 for a head gasket. That is why knowing these symptoms isn't optional. It is the difference between routine maintenance and financial disaster. On a cold morning, if your engine takes forever to warm up and the heater barely gets lukewarm, don't shrug it off. A thermostat stuck open lets coolant flow through the radiator all the time, so your engine never reaches its proper temperature, usually between 195 and 220 degrees Fahrenheit. That means the computer keeps running in warm-up mode, dumping extra fuel and leaving you with weak cabin heat and a drop in miles per gallon. You might notice the temperature gauge barely moves off cold, even after a long drive. This isn't just about comfort. Running too cool causes the oil to thicken and mix with fuel and water, building up sludge that wears out bearings and piston rings over time. A stuck-open thermostat is a slow killer. It quietly eats away at your engine's life and your wallet, wasting fuel and setting you up for bigger repairs down the road. Erratic temperature readings are your first clue. If the gauge needle swings from normal to hot without warning, you're on borrowed time. When a thermostat sticks closed, coolant cannot reach the radiator. Heat gets trapped in the engine, and temperatures spike past 260 degrees Fahrenheit, far above what aluminum heads can survive. In minutes, that heat warps the cylinder head, crushes the head gasket, and lets combustion gases flood the cooling system. You might see steam, smell burning coolant, or hear knocking from under the hood. Modern engines, especially those with aluminum heads like Audi and Subaru, melt down fast. Mechanics have documented cases where a stuck thermostat turned a running car into scrap metal before the owner could reach the next exit. This is not just a repair bill, it is a total loss. The moment your temperature gauge hits the red, pull over immediately. Waiting even a few minutes can destroy the engine beyond repair. Online forums and even some old-school mechanics still push the idea that pulling out the thermostat will fix an overheating engine. This advice doesn't just miss the mark, it can destroy your engine faster than you think. Tom and Ray Magliozzi, the Car Talk brothers, nailed it years ago. Overheating ruins thermostats, not the other way around. Taking out the thermostat is like swallowing aspirin for a broken arm. Sure, you might feel a little better for a minute, but the real problem is still there, hidden and getting worse. Without a thermostat, your engine runs outside its design window, fuel economy will tank, and you lose any hope of proper temperature control. The root cause, maybe a clogged radiator, a failing water pump, or a blown head gasket, remains unchecked, quietly setting you up for a much bigger repair bill. Don't fall for the shortcut. Replace the thermostat, find the real fault, and keep your engine alive. You do not need a shop to spot the evidence. Modern cars make it easier than ever to catch thermostat trouble before it snowballs. The most common sign is a check engine light with code P0128, which means your coolant is not heating up fast enough, often because the thermostat is stuck open. Other codes like P0125 and P0126 point to the engine running too cool or a sensor not seeing the right temperature. Even a basic $20 OBD-II scanner from the auto parts store will pull these codes in seconds. No need to guess. Plug it in, read the display, and ask the shop to show you exactly what the computer sees. Do not stop at the codes. Look for physical proof. Coolant leaks around the thermostat housing or a puddle under the engine are red flags. If a mechanic claims your thermostat is bad, ask to see the leak, the code, and the part. That puts you in control and filters out guesswork and unnecessary upsells. A real problem will leave real evidence, visible, scannable, and explainable. That is how you protect your wallet and your engine. Boiling or knocking sounds under the hood are your last warning before real disaster. When you hear these noises, you are not just dealing with a thermostat anymore, you are flirting with engine failure. But here's where drivers get tripped up. Not every shop gets the diagnosis right. A $5 radiator cap, if it cannot hold pressure, can let coolant boil early and mimic thermostat trouble. Some shops sell a full thermostat job when you only need a new cap. Other times, a clogged radiator restricts flow, making the engine overheat just like a stuck thermostat would. Do not overlook the coolant temperature sensor. A failing sensor can trick the computer and your dashboard into showing the same symptoms, and that can lead to unnecessary part swaps. John Ibbotson from Consumer Reports puts it bluntly, high scare equals high profit. The real villain is not mechanics, it is misdiagnosis and the upsell. Always ask for proof, demand to see the old part, and do not let panic steer you into paying for repairs you do not need. Right now, a $254 thermostat can save you from a $9,000 disaster. Ignore P0128 or red temperature gauge, and you risk engine death within minutes. Stay alert, your wallet and engine depend on it.